In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel. Getting started with a new Excel project begins with understanding how to properly open or create a workbook. Whether you are completely new to Excel or already familiar with spreadsheets, knowing how to start a workbook correctly helps you organize your data and begin your work efficiently. Excel offers several ways to start fresh or continue working on existing files, and once you understand where these options are located, navigating the program becomes much easier. To begin, you will need to access what is called the Backstage view. Think of this area as the central control panel for managing files in Excel. You can open it by clicking the File option located near the top left corner of the Excel window. When you click File, the screen will change to show a variety of file-related options, all gathered in one convenient location. Inside the Backstage view, you will find several choices related to creating and managing workbooks. If you want to start with a completely new spreadsheet, click New. This section allows you to begin a fresh workbook in just a few moments. After selecting New, you will see the option for a blank workbook. Choosing this option gives you a completely empty spreadsheet where you can design everything from the ground up. This is ideal if you want full control over how your worksheet is structured, including how the data is arranged and formatted. However, Excel also offers another helpful option if you prefer not to start entirely from scratch. You'll notice a collection of templates available in the same area. Templates provide pre-designed spreadsheet layouts that can save you time and help you build a polished document more quickly. These templates often include formatted tables, organized sections, and sometimes even built-in formulas. Because of this, they can make your spreadsheet look more professional without requiring you to build the entire structure yourself. You can scroll through the available templates or use the search bar to find one that fits your needs. When you find a template that interests you, click on it to view a preview of how it looks. This preview allows you to see the design before using it. If you like the layout, simply click Create, and Excel will open the template so you can begin entering your own data. Now let's talk about opening a workbook that already exists. The process is very similar to the steps we just covered. Start by clicking File again to return to the Backstage view. This time, choose Open. In this section, you may notice a list of recently used workbooks. If the file you need appears in that list, you can click it to open it immediately. If it does not appear there, you still have several ways to locate it. If the workbook is saved on OneDrive, you can access it through your Microsoft account. If the file is stored directly on your computer, select This PC. You can also click Browse to manually navigate through your folders and locate the exact workbook you want. Once you find the file you need, click Open, and the workbook will appear on your screen ready for you to continue working with your data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.